Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here and like wig tutorials, please take a moment and subscribe, and then follow us on Instagram for reels and more wig content. Today's tutorial is going to be on this wig install and how to pluck a frontal wig. Before I begin plucking my units, I do like to use a hot comb and push the hairline back. I also have, instead of putting a towel under my lace, I just use a stocking cap, like a new stocking cap. The way that I pluck my hairlines on the frontal wig is very intentional. This part, when you watch me pluck it, you're probably going to think like, oh, she's really thinning it out. But I am, in real life I am, because it's where my baby hairs are going to be, and I like it naturally thinner in that area. I do recommend when you're plucking your units that you envision what you're doing beforehand and how the style is going to look, so it can guide you and help you not overpluck. When I'm done plucking, this is the type of result that I like to go for. Like about an inch back, a space of just a nice plucked hairline, a nice, not too dense, not the fork effect going on, especially after you install it. Now I'm going to take some makeup and some molding spray and put that on the lace of the inside of the wig, and then blow dry it with cool air. Before I start a unit, I put it on to make sure it looks right. And then I take my Ebin spray and use 3 layers. Spray down 3 layers and then put on my unit. Then I take the time to cut the lace very gently and in a zigzag motion. In addition to cutting in a zigzag motion, you want to make sure that you cut in between the hairs. Like, make sure you don't cut the hairline that you just worked so hard to create. After I'm done cutting off my lace, I take a little bit of my Ebin spray and go around the edges of the lace with it with a rat tail comb, very detailed. And then I take it and I melt it down, and it's perfect. So now it is the next day, and I'll have a video coming on Friday on how I tie up my frontal installs for nighttime. But now we're on that next day, and here I am, that line of demarcation, it's buzzing. But and we got a couple white flakes, but I'll show you how to get rid of the white flakes. Just keep watching. To get rid of those flakes, you take a little water, not alcohol, no nothing, just water, and gently tap on them, wipe them away. Gently wipe it and tap it at the same time, and it'll slowly but surely disappear. And if you feel like it's lifting or anything, or you feel like you put too much water, just hurry up and use your blow dryer. Or if you're sweating or anything, that's at any time in your install. Just turn your cool air, use your blow dryer. Now, if you know me, you know baby hairs is something I'm definitely still working on, especially when it comes to being symmetrical. The right baby hair is my favorite. This left one gave me a run for my money, big time. Here is the final look. I love, love, love this wig. I love middle parts. I love long hair. So this is just all the rave to me. And yeah, I looked gorgeous. And this was 30 inches. This was 30 inches. 100 and, I don't even know the density, but yeah. Subscribe, y'all. Follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.